answer this question. Okay, you are not too sure how to answer. Let's go through it now. For such question, I will usually go to the, you see, a group of boys share some cards among themselves. Okay, so if each of them take 9 cards each, there will be one boy only get 4 cards. And then if each of them takes 7 cards each, there will be extra 13 cards left. So you see, in this case, the total number of cards should be the same, right? Correct or not? Because the total number of cards is the same. So what is the cards? Let's say I let the box, one box, be a student. If one student take 9 cards, 9 times the number of students, so I put box is the number of students. So 9 times, one person take 9 cards, so 9 times the number of students, I will have what? I will have a boy that only get 4 cards. If the boy only get 4 cards, I'm supposed to give 9 cards, right? That means there is a lack of 5 cards. Correct or not? There's a lack of 5 cards. So the second equation is, the first equation is one student take 9 cards. The second equation for total number of cards is one student takes 7 cards. So 7 cards times one student times student. This is the number of student. If 7 times number of student, I will have extra 13 cards. So it's this. I draw the model. I draw 9 box of this. I prefer to draw the lacking one first, because if I draw the lacking one, I will know what is the total number of cards. You see, because for this, the last student supposed to get 9 cards, but it didn't get 9 cards. It only get 4 cards. So here will be 4 cards, and here is a lacking of 5 cards, correct? So the second one will be, I draw 7 box, right? So you know that total number of cards is the same. So here, okay, here is the total number of cards. So it should end here. Here the total number of cards is the same. But this guy, if everybody only takes 7 cards, I have extra 13 cards here. Okay? Extra 13 cards here. Maybe I should draw. I will have an extra of 13 cards. That means from here to here is my extra 13 cards. Okay. From here, you can easily find 1 unit is equivalent to how much. Because from here to here, that means this portion here is actually 13. If this portion here is 13, that means 13 minus 4, this will be 9. So one box here like that is actually equals to 9. And you know that the box is the number of students, right? Because I already said box is the number of students. So there will be 9 students. Correct or not? I answered number B already. But then what is the total number of cards? Total number of cards, right? If I were to use this, I know that 9 times over here is 9, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 times 8. But you have to plus 4. 9. Yes, 9 times 8 plus 4, because this student don't have the full 9 cards, it only have 4 cards, so you have to plus 4. It will give you how many cards? 76 cards. Likewise, you can see whether it's true or not. For here is 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here is what? 7 times 9, because there's extra of 13 cards. 76 cards. So the total number of cards is the same, right? 76, 76. You have to write a sentence here, okay? The number of cards, how many cards game there were, you have to write. There were 76 cards. Then how many boys were there? There were 9 boys, okay? Because I already identified one box is actually 9. One box is represent the number of students. Okay?